Talking Keisha and Becky, Dami glow, yeah, I'm flexing. Fuck a queen, bitch, I'm a king. Bun that you, he was a fling. Anyway, every day you know I defo paved the way. Bitches mad, cause I'm cute, now they hating on my slate. I got a triple up my highlight before I start my day. My nigga trap T4s, dishing up. Rude girl nails this on repeat. Barbie stepping, it's a dream. Baddest bitch, you can't compete. Dami glow, check my receipts. And my niggas in the team, stacking up on all them peas, cutting up that light and beat. You want beef? Come see me.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's Dami Ashley here. The first thing I'm doing is taking some concealer and I'm using that as my eyeshadow base. I'm now going in my Zulu palette from Juvias Place and I'm taking that yellow shade and I'm using it as a transition colour. So we're going to be creating like a pink sunset kind of look, you know, pinks, oranges, reds, purples, all that good stuff. And now I'm taking my orange shade in the same palette and I'm just sweeping that on my crease as well. So we're trying to like build like a gradient sort of, you know, shadow. So yeah, the yellow blending into the orange, so that's what like we're going for. Now I'm going in with my pink shade and I'm just placing that on the lid. Now I should have what's it called, I did use a brush for it at first and then I ended up going in with my fingers because my fingers made the shade pop a bit more and it was just a bit more pigmented. So that's a good tip for you guys. I think with these shadows it's best to use your fingers, like, you know, like I'm doing now. I'm using my fingers for the purple. And yeah, it's really a quick, easy look. It's not that hard. Now I'm just doing my eyeliner. I'm just giving myself a nice long wing because, you know, we got to have eyeliner on. Like, there is no makeup look without eyeliner, in my eyes anyways. Now I'm going in with my mink lashes and I'm just popping them on. I wish I could tell you where they're from, but I can't remember. And I stacked like 2 as well. So it's a bit, yeah, it's a bit sad. But literally, guys, just use any lashes that are nice, fluffy, full, and just pop in. So to prime my face, I'm just taking my Max, oh my God, I said Max, you know. I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus spray and I'm spraying it all over my face. Then I'm going in with my Kat Von D foundation in the shade D71. And I'm just blending this into my skin. I put quite a lot on, guys. Don't judge me, but you know I'm a cake face. I really do go in heavy on the foundation because, I don't know, I just like that look. So yeah, as long as you blend in everything in very well, then it's not really a problem. We're just blending the foundation into our skin, you know, blending, because blending is key. We got to make sure that foundation is looking beautiful. But I love the Kat Von D foundation. It's so thick, it's so full coverage, and it's just the best, really. So to highlight my face, I'm using my Fenty Beauty 345, and then I'm using my oh, what shade? What was the other one? Yeah, my MAC NC42, sorry, and I'm just mixing them together because it just gives me a nice, real yellowy shade. And, you know, the MAC one's really light and the Fenty Beauty is just very yellow. So it just gives it a very nice, beautiful yellow shade. I'm just blending that concealer into my skin. I'm blending it under my eyes. And I've put some on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, I believe. So we're just blending that highlight in. Make sure you guys really blend the highlight in so, you know, you don't look washed or you just don't look unblended. You want to look cute. Obviously we still want the brightness to be there, but we don't want it to look too much, if you know what I'm trying to say. So we're just going to keep blending until everything is looking seamless and it's looking good enough. I like a bright highlight anyways, so that's why I go in with my Porcelain LA Girl concealer just to brighten it up, because you know me, I like a bright highlight. Like, it's just, that's just how it is, like, period. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that in and further stipple the concealer into our skin. Guys, I'm cracking myself up right now, honestly. How is everyone doing during this quarantine season? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe as well. We're on the road to 1K. But the concealer I'm using now to contour is my NYX Contour. No, my NYX Cream Concealer. No, it's not even cream, it's a liquid concealer. My NYX Concealer in the shade Cappuccino. My silly ass. And I'm contouring my nose, contouring my cheekbones, my forehead. And yeah, we're just adding definition to everywhere where we really need it. Because, you know, when we add that concealer, that highlight, we do look a bit, you know, undefined, shall I say. So this is just going to bring the structure back into our face, and it's just going to make our face look very nice, defined, and, you know, snatched. And that's the look we're going for. So you just want to blend that in. I'm now blending the highlight in a bit more just to make sure everything is looking nice. Going in with that brush, blending in that, you know, our jawline just to get that jaw snatched. Blending in our nose contour because we need to. And now I'm taking Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm setting under my eyes with this powder. So yeah, we're just going to set this under our eyes because we don't want our concealer to move and we want our makeup to last very long. So this powder is going to help to ensure that your makeup is long lasting, and on top of that, your makeup doesn't sweat, it doesn't run off, you know. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. It just, you know, it's just in place. It's just going to make sure that everything is in place. We're just setting all the places we've highlighted, you know, so under our eyes, our forehead. I'm not too sure if I put some on my nose. I think I put a little bit on my chin, but yeah. We're now dusting the powder off with a kabuki brush, which is very nice, especially when you want to blend in and dust away the powder. It really gets into the skin well and just creates a really nice finish. So I love using that. Now I'm taking my LA Girl contour in the shade tan, or medium deep is one of them, but I'm gonna have to double check. And I'm just further contouring my nose just to get that nose snatch, using the beauty blender to blend it. And now we're on to the face, and I'm contouring with that same LA Girl contour kit. And I'm just, yeah, adding more definition to my face, making sure that contour really pops, because that's what we like to do. And you lot know I go blush crazy, so I'm using them eyeshadows as a blush. I've really been loving, like, using my Zulu palette as my blush. I feel like it's just so pigmented. It just gives me the look I want, and we're drenching our skin now because we need to, you know, take that powdery look just away. Like, my face powder in the shade 5W1, and it's the Estee Lauder powder, and I'm just using this to blend my whole face in, like just give my skin a nice full coverage look. Going back in with that contour, and I'm using that contour and highlight, palette, and I'm using that light shade to, you know, set under my eyes, and I'm using it for further brightness. So yeah, it's nice. That contour palette is really good because it's got a highlight shade and it's got a, you know, contour shade. So that highlight shade, I just use that as my, you know, brightener, if that's even a word. Oh gosh. But yeah, we're cutting under our cheekbones because that's what we need to do. We need these cheekbones popping, so we're baking under our cheekbones just to get that contour lit. And guys, I'm going with 4 highlighters here, so just bear with me. The first one I'm taking is Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just, you know, just adding just a little bit on just to give it that nice golden glow. Then I'm going in with, you know, the star product, the star of the show, Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the shade Conceited. And you guys already know what time it is with that highlight. I don't even need to get into that because I get way too emotional when I talk about highlight, guys, because, you know, it's the Get the Dami Glow around here. So boy, literally. Now I'm just highlighting everywhere I need to highlight, and everywhere I just want to pop. I'm going in with this beautiful Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb powder. Is it Diamond Bomb? No, it's Diamond Bomb. It's not Diamond Bomb powder. It's just the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. This highlight is so beautiful. It's literally like glitter particles, like glitter crystals. Yeah, I know you guys can't really see it as much because I've obviously got under other highlighters under. But yeah, man, honestly, I'm going to do another tutorial where I just use this highlight by itself so you guys can see how pretty it is. It's honestly so stunning. So yeah, that's the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. And now I'm going in with some Artist Couture again, and that was the shade in Illuminati. So yes, I go in with 4 highlighters, guys, because I'm Get the Dami Glow. And we just have to glow. Like, I don't have time to not glow. We're blending in our face with some more face powder. Make sure everything is nice, neat, and seamless. I'm going in with some gel liner from Maybelline and some brush. It's actually my mum's. I stole it from her room. So yeah, I'm literally just using that to tightline my waterline and just make my bottom lash line pop, really. You know, it just gives your eyes a bolder look. So I love doing that. Just putting a bit of black in my waterline just, you know, does something. Now I'm going back in with that pink shade from the Juvias Place palette, and I'm just using it to, you know, smoke under my lash line. And I just want to add some shadow to my bottom lash line just to complete the look, really. Yeah, so we're just going in with that, and then I'm taking the orange as well and blending it as well to really give it that nice sunset look. And that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm just looking at myself. Now I'm like, okay, what's the next step? What's the next step? What's the next step? Yes, my Slay by Kiara's glitter. Listen, these chunky glitters are the best glitters in the world. I will link her, you know, Instagram down below. You lots need to copy it. If you guys are still using them old school, you know, 99p glitters from eBay, like, come off that, girl. Come on, it's 2020. Chunky glitters are the way forward. They're very reflective. They glow in the dark. They're just perfect. They're just everything you need, you know. But now I'm just putting some mascara on just to blend my lashes together. And I did go in with the NYX glitter glue just to stick my glitter on. In case you're wondering, I went in with the NYX glitter glue. the best glitter glue in my eyes. Like, ever since I've been using it, I've been loving it. It's been really, you know, complementing my glitters very well. Yeah, so we're just going in some mascara. And yeah, this is just a quick quarantine look. Literally. Am I still going with mascara? I'm still going with mascara. Okay. I see you, girl. All right. And now the look is pretty much done. The eyes, anyways, I'm just giving you guys a little peek. Now we're on to the lips. So I'm just taking some Gallery lip liner, and it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. I couldn't find my NYX lip liner, my chocolate brown one, so yeah, I just had to make do with that. Then I go in with my NYX lip cream in respect to the pink. You lots need to respect the pink. Listen, this lip was made for me. Respect the pink, because I'm a pink bitch, so you just got to respect it, in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just how it is. Like, that's just on period. And now we're just going in with our MAC liquid lipstick in the shade High Drama. Yes, it's in the shade High Drama. It's a very dark burgundy colour, but it looks so beautiful when I outlined my lips with it. Like, I really fell in love with this lip colour, and it just gave it like a purpley pink look, which is just everything we need right now, because we got pinks on our eyeshadow, we got purples, we got oranges, we got yellows, we got all the sunset colours. So I just feel like the lip really just complemented the look, and the lip to me was like the killer. Like, I loved the lip. Look at me, I'm just looking at it like, yes, bitch, that's me. I'm going with another layer of highlighter because I can, and because I'm getting the Dami glow. I have to glow. My highlight just has to always be on 10, always has to blind these haters because there's way too many of them. So, you know, we just got to do what we got to do with this highlighter. Like, just, girls, just, you know, apply your highlighter, pack it on, okay? No one's telling you nothing. Pack it on and blind these haters. That's what we're doing. Now I'm going with some brow bone highlight, and that's I'm using the, what shade am I using? I'm using the Conceited shade. Yep. Diamond Glow powder, as always. That will forever be my favourite highlighter until I come up with my own. And in my eyes, it will forever be the best highlighter. So, literally, yeah. Just putting some on my, what am I doing on my Cupid's bow, just to make it pop. Then I'm blending it a little bit. My signature Dami dots, you lots already know what time it is when I have to do this. And then, you know, I should be done soon. Like, comment and subscribe, and I love you all. Please check out my reaction videos.